So a lot of people have been asking me what happened to the 1989 Yamaha YZ250 build, and I'm still working on it. I just lost a little bit of motivation because Ross Maeda over at Enzo Racing refused to rebuild or revalve the suspension. And the suspension was originally done by Ross Maeda at Enzo Racing. And it's wonderful that God gives man free will. And Ross Maeda does not want to work on post vintage suspension anymore. And he has all right. He wants to work on the newer stuff and he wants to work with the factory teams. And many blessings to him. That is his choice. I wish him all the best success. He is an absolute guru when it comes to Kayaba suspension components, and the best want him for that reason. So I wish him the best. For me, I will search out another suspension company to do the rebuild and revalve on the 1989 YZ250. That said, it costs, and I pay for these builds myself 100%. The money for the build comes from my music, and I'm not like these other guys on YouTube who ask the followers and subscribers and viewers to donate money to their bike build, promising that viewer that they will keep that bike forever. Then when they're finished with the build, they flip the build. That cost them no money because subscribers and viewers paid for it, and they take that profit and kind of leaves an empty spot with the viewer who was, invested in that project and wanted to see that bike builder keep that bike forever as they promised. I don't do that. I use my music money to complete these bike builds. And I'm going to leave a link to two songs in the description below. One is a trap music song, and the other one is a new metal alternative rock song. So there's different genres there for different music listeners. And if you want to buy one, please do. Streaming really doesn't help the artist because if you stream it, the artist only gets 4/10 of 1 penny per stream. But if you buy it, then the artist actually makes money. So please buy it. You see here that I've had the camera on the cylinder in the head. I will be sending the cylinder and the head off. The cylinder will be bored and ported, and the head will be matched to that bore job. Also, I know a lot of people build these 1988 through 1992 Yamaha YZ250s, and I wanted to give you a little bit of information on the cylinders. The 1988 and the 1989 Yamaha YZ250 cylinders are interchangeable. They are the same height. In 1990, Yamaha changed the rod length on the YZ250. So the 1990 through 1992 Yamaha YZ250 has a shortened cylinder and a shortened crank by 5 millimeters. There's a 5 millimeter difference in the crank rod length. So these cylinders for the 1988 and 1989 Yamaha YZ250 do not work on the 1990 through 1992 Yamaha YZ250s. So that's just a little bit of information there for you for those out there building a 1988 through 1992 Yamaha YZ250, and I hope that tip helps you. And I will be back with more videos in regards to this 1989 Yamaha YZ250. I have not given up on the project. Thank you.